One's curiosity can make him or her do things that are just out of mind and unimaginable. There was this one incident that just aroused the curiosity inside me and made me think that can we actually make HCl at the pleasure of sitting in our home? Is something like this possible? Can someone actually do this? If yes, then how? Continue watching the video till the end to know more. This person claimed that he is not a chemist. However, he used to dabble around with chemicals. We will not be naming this person due to some personal reason, so please bear with us. So around 10 years ago, this person used to live with his parents and got an interesting idea in chemistry which made him under an organic chemistry glass kit from China. He was also slowly and slyly collecting various chemicals, but where he used to live, he could not find hydrogen chloride. However, getting 91% of sulfuric acid sounded like an easy job to him. Therefore, for his first work in his lab, which was also his bedroom, this person decided to make some hydrogen chloride using sulfuric acid and sodium chloride. He started up by setting up a gas generator along with a 2-neck RBF, gas takeoff, and a SEP funnel as his dropper. He then started to drip the sulfuric acids drop by drop in, and a little bit of gas is generated, but then it stops. Therefore, he decided to add further more. At this point, the salt was fully saturated and no more gas generation occurred. This made him think that the sulfuric acid was too pure, therefore he needed to add a bit of water. He then proceeded to remove the SEP funnel and use a beaker instead to drop somewhere between 10 to 25 milliliters of water in, and then voila! Instantly his room was filled with hydrogen chloride gas. He held his breath and decided to open a window and run out of the room. He was lucky that he did not breathe any of it in. He immediately decided to leave the room empty for around 2 hours in order to clear out the room of any hydrogen chloride gas. According to him, this ranked second in his list of stupid lab accidents. This incident made us think that we can actually make HCl safely in our bedroom? Ask yourself. Let me give you a hint. Vinegar is aqueous solution of acetic acid with some flavorings added. Vinegar generally contains about 5 to 8% acetic acid by volume. Acetic acid has the molecular formula CH3COOH. Salt is the common salt, whose chemical formula is NaCl and is also called sodium chloride, and now we will see how the radiation proceeds between vinegar and salt. Overwhelmed? Let me handle this for you. First of all, we will understand the chemical composition of vinegar and salt, and then move to the product formed by their reaction. Vinegar generally contains about 5 to 8% acetic acid by volume. Chemical formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. Salt here refers to a common salt, whose chemical name is sodium chloride, and it has the molecular formula as NaCl. Hence, now when vinegar reacts with salt, in actual, the acetic acid present in the salt reacts with the sodium chloride, and the reaction proceeds as CH3COOH plus NaCl to CH3COONA plus HCl. Hence, in the above reaction, we can see that the products formed are sodium acetate with chemical formula CH3COONA, and the second product is hydrochloric acid with chemical formula HCl. Therefore, we can say that reacting vinegar with salt hydrochloric acid is produced. Note, this reaction has taken place due to the aqueous medium in which both of these reactants, sodium chloride and acetic acid vinegar, are soluble in water. Acetic acid which is present in vinegar is also known as ethanoic acid. Hence now we know that vinegar reacts with sodium chloride to form hydrochloric acid, and hence you can prepare HCl at the ease of your bed. Is there any other way to do so? Can we do it in any easier way? Well, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. If you liked the video, then do make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button too. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of such awesome videos. Until then, see ya!